Hello, returning subscribers and new people. Thanks for joining me. My name is Edith. I talk about my journey with type 2 diabetes and also craft projects, which I like to work on to relieve stress. And I was just going to tell you about this Halloween banner project I'll be starting. And it's from Hirschner's. I'll leave the link if you would like to order one and then join me in making it. I'll do it step by step according to the directions. It's a banner that comes with everything that you need except there was a few things. Okay. You need scissors, pins, pencil, and fiberfill, and everything else comes with it. And it's 36 inches in length. And it really has good directions, step by step for each piece. And I also like that fact that you have to sew some of these beads on and add floss. And you also get enough of the felt that you can sew on a backing piece. So you don't see the back, the stitching, because it'll be covered up with another piece of felt. And they have another one on their website, but I think this is a lot cuter than the other one. The other one's kind of gaudy, I thought. But anyways, it has 8 pages of directions. And these are all copyrighted, so I cannot send you a free pattern. What I'm going to do is make extra copies of the pieces. Or else what you could do is just cut the pieces out and then label it so you know what goes where. And if that sounds too complicated, just make another copy. See, each character has its own sheet, and then on the back it tells you where to put the sequins and where you're going to be doing the back stitch. It's mostly back stitch, whip stitch. And I think that's it. I don't see any other kind of stitches on here. So those are basically pretty easy stitches. And then the little black circles, I believe, are sequins, and you put those on with beads. And some of them are glow in the dark, so isn't that special? All right, and that's the owl, and here's the cat. And see, every little piece is got its own directions. Glow in the dark sequins, running stitch, back stitch. If you want to do it a quicker way, you could probably use glue, a glue gun or a glue stick. But I think they stitch these pieces on whip stitch, which is what I'm going to be doing. And then we got the where's this one? Oh, Frankie Frankenstein. Okay, it'll tell you cut 1 or cut 2 and where to place everything. And this is Frankie. He's got back stitch sequence. This blanket stitch, whip stitch. It'll give me a chance to review some of my embroidery stitches. Right now I'm only working on needlepoint, which is basically a half of a cross stitch throughout. So that's pretty monotonous because this is like my 7th needlepoint I've done this year. Okay, this is the house and the little bitty windows and doors. And again, it tells you where to place everything. And this is, what is this? A bat, the bat, okay. Oh, I guess the body is a circle. Okay, it's a little cute looking bat. Not an ugly bat. And then last we got The Witch. All right, I'll be starting this probably next week, step by step. And I'll leave the link to Hirschner's. I believe it says their phone number somewhere. If you have problems, you can call them, which is really neat. And they'll answer your questions. There's their number and there's their website. And I hope you join me in this. Let me know if you feel like joining it so I can wait for you. Otherwise, I'll be starting it next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.